Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the next video. Now I'm in KL. Say hi, my friends.
Hi!
Good morning. Today we are taking part of a Viper challenge. So actually we came in KL quite early. Came in around 4 AM. So we decided to try and check in the hotel early. So now we're all bunking in the same room. Yeah, but later we're changing it to our own room. Now we're about to head to breakfast.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
And Josh is checking whether we can check in
I'm very hungry.
at later time.
I want to eat.
So one of the room is ready, so we're actually moving. So the restaurant that we wanted to went to is sold out now, so we're finding another place to eat. So let's go. Now we are coming for a minute, so she needs to pick up her medicine. And then we still got quite some time for the Viper challenge at 7 PM. Okay, so now we are going to watch movies, and then after that we will get our lunch at vegetarian. So of course, 我们是 is a vegetarian. Yeah, vegetarian 好吗？
Japanese vegetarian 你们吃了什么？
我吃拉面。
把你吃这个的味道怎样？
这个辣呀，
好吃吗？
哇，it sucks man。
文是你 try 过吗？
那是要吃猪头夫的。
It's raining. How's our Viper?
Yeah, lor.
It's okay.
How?
We will drench and we will spray. Where are you going?
We are going to Viper.
Viper. Now it's heavy rain. Are you ready for your walk? Are you ready, Jocelyn? Woohoo! Adult Fun Fair! Are you ready, Mr. Clocky? Adult Fun Fair is here! We are going to dance! 一边下雨一边跑步。
因为我不懂，我就用这个。
Run, run, run! Go, Mr. Cookie!
哎，我应该拍你。我要讲，我今天跑进你们两个。Nice.
Mr. Cookie, you can do it! Bending,
Wow, Spider-Man 呢？Welcome to Bukit Jalil Stadium.
Yes, so you are the host of the day, Mr. Cookie Walker.
Selling district.
Yeah, selling district. Please do follow him. Trim your abs, trim your abs, trim your abs. I thought you're going body already. Oh yeah! Try again. Try again. Okay.
Finishing line. So we just came back from Viper challenge, then we just showered, and now we are heading out to find food. It's around 11:50 now. Yeah, so waiting for the girls, and then we're heading out to eat soon.
没有，我们吃在，刚才人家叫中奖都有。
Hi Joey, we're in a massage place.
I want to sleep.
Yeah, I can tell. You can sleep while we massage. Yeah, massage at 1 AM. I also tired already. Good morning. So now it's around 11:30 AM. We woke up quite late, around 11 AM. Because we slept around like 3. After we came back from massage, we massaged from like 1 to 3 to 30 AM. So now we, instead of going for breakfast, we are going to check out. Then we are going to like Berjaya Times to buy stuff before our bus back. Yeah, so now we're at Berjaya Times Square and we are looking for food here.
Oh, 有咬腰哎！哦，有药出来。
Yay, finish lunch. I forgot take. Oh my god, you almost fall. Oh, yes.
We are going to play Team Park. Team Park.
No, don't want.
Let's go. we take lift to the top floor.
Ah, train. Coming to Malaysia eating yao yao.
Yeah. We are so stupid. Eating yao yao when Singapore have it. And
It's only like
the price
10
was
cents
it.
difference, right?
Yeah. It's just that your ringgit have a lot, you never use it.
Okay lah.
Because you won't buy yao yao in Singapore.
But all they got pistachio. So it's around 3:40 now. So our bus at 4. Yeah, another 20 minutes. So hungry. Now using my phone to record because I'm very tired. We arrived back in Singapore around 12:30 now, 12:50. We'll drive along like Malaysia to Singapore around 2 hours. So we cleared Singapore around like 11:30 and now waiting for cab for our Grab. So I guess I see you all in the next video. Bye. Bye. Joey say bye.